VinFast Talks, where we keep you plugged in, supercharged, and ready to roll on all things electric vehicles. I'm Hannah Bacani, and we're so excited to talk all about EVs. We're sparking up conversations about the EV industry, the future of transportation, and what the buzz is all about in electric vehicles. Because it's not just about batteries, it's also a revolution. For today's guest, we have race car driver and Manila Standard motoring editor, Myla Rivera.
Hi guys.
We also have motoring enthusiast, Alex Banaweboy Lim.
What's up guys?
Woo. And the ultimate mix of automotive and fashion, Justin Buzzhype Santos.
What's up guys? Hello.
Now, in today's episode, our guests will show us the VF5. Right here. Wow. Whenever I see this on the road, it really makes me take a second look.
Yeah.
It is so sleek, but it's so spacious. Let's talk about the look and design.
Yeah, yung car na to, pag nakita mo siya sa kalye, grabe yung road presence niya. With the V-line shape grille, alam mo agad na it's VinFast.
Agad, no? Yeah, I agree.
So, grabe yung road presence niya, 100/10 road presence.
Yes. You know what's good about that? Kasi syempre, yung mga ibang car brands, they don't have that distinct design for their car brands. But VinFast does that. They have that V-shaped grille and everything. I really do like the trademark.
Yeah.
And I think their identity spreads across all of their models. So once you see a VinFast, you know it's a VinFast. At alam mong VinFast lang ang ganyan itsura.
Very important yung yung brand presence mo, yung may sarili kang identity, unique yung design mo. So talagang kaya parang doon magkakaroon ng following yung isang kotse pag meron silang style.
And by the way, naka 17-inch to I just wanna say, 17-inch yung mags nito. And by the way, it has a good ground clearance, by the way.
Perfect na perfect sa Pilipinas kasi siyempre madaming lubak and sometimes nagpa-flood.
Yes.
Yung kasya sa loob, mga
Kasya tayong
kids, yung mga golf bag natin, yung mga shopping
Ikaw,
bag.
golferist ka pa naman.
Tsaka I think sa aesthetic, it just doesn't stop sa harap. Pati sa likod, if you check it out, it looks stunning.
Yes.
Gusto ko yung taillight din niya, yung mahaba na line.
The color itself shouts like it's very aggressive, like including this super nice V-shaped grille right here. It complements with the specific color.
No, it's not just stylish, but it's also very stable on the road. It has 8-inch infotainment system. The dimensions here, it's kind of huge, guys. It's bigger than you think up close here. I also love how it can hold so much space. The trunk capacity here is 260 liters. So I can think about all of the things that I can bring.
Yun nga, pasok nga daw yung golf bag.
Yeah, golf bags.
That's it,
Ako,
that's
pets
it.
ko. I feel like both of my cats can fit in big
pretty
crates here. Habang nag-road trip tayong lahat,
That
kasya
is
lahat.
true. Pero you telling me that you drive also, guys, like safety is very important. And this car has, of course, that's undeniable. It has front airbags, curtain airbags also, and of course ABS, guys. Electronic brake force distribution, that's very important too. And it has a cruise control, guys. Pag gusto mong bumiyahe, cruise control is the key. And of course, power adjust with LED turn signal.
And also, pinakagusto ko dito, may Android Auto.
We
Siyempre,
all love that.
kailangan natin ng magandang music pag nagda-drive tayo, di ba?
And by the way, kung nakikita nyo, that's a good leatherette seat right there. I mean, pag may natapong tubig or what?
A lot.
Madali lang linisin.
Easy to clean, man.
I love think about the upkeep a lot, actually, whenever I see vehicles like this. I love the performance of this car as well. We keep talking about road trips here, and this car can definitely go the distance, right?
Yeah, and go the distance with fun and excitement at that. Just because of the power it packs, 135 horsepower to be exact, which accelerates from 0 to 100 in 10.9 seconds. Now that may sound underwhelming, but believe me, it's got some torque, it's got some push in it. The torque itself gives you enough thrill to enjoy your drive when needed, but obviously,
Yun yung maganda sa electric cars, right off the bat.
Hindi lang aggressive, guys. It does give you the performance too. And of course, guys, the range, I must say, the range is 326 kilometers. That's a big one. I mean, malayo yun, ha? And by the way, they also have an eco and sport mode, guys. I mean, sabi ni Milo kanina nung talks, like, yung eco mode, lagi niyang ginagamit. So, bagay sa kanya to, di ba?
Tipid mode.
Yeah, tipid mode pag Pinoy, it's called tipid mode.
yes, kung gustong pumarurot, tara, sport tayo. But most of the time, eco lang talaga eh. But given that eco mode, it really saves you a lot in terms of driving costs, yung efficiency mo. Not to mention the weight is at 1,360 kilograms. In car terms, that's light.
Yeah,
that's
power to
like-
weight
like-
ratio. Pero guys, sabi ko nga kanina, naka-leatherette. So if ever matapon yung tubig nyo, buhay pa rin yung mga upuan nyo. Not just that, guys. Not just that. I like how the keyless start and stop button has like inside. And of course, like rear parking assist, as I said.
Favorite part.
Favorite?
My favorite part.
Hindi lang yun. They also have a rear view camera. I mean,
Yun.
minsan kasi may mga post, hindi mo alam nasa likod. So this, you're safe, guys. You're
Lifesaver
safe.
yan.
I personally do love EVs, guys. I mean, I always drive them, and this car is definitely a must-try, guys.
Yung door open warning, that's a very rare thing to have in a car.
Yes.
Yeah. A lot of people nowadays, you just get out of the car, may parating palang kotse.
It's
Ouch.
very, yeah. Sobrang delikado yun.
That's so perfect. And I love how we mentioned the comfortability of it, not just for the driver, but as a passenger princess, that's the first thing I think about. Especially in long drives, I've sat in this car in a super long drive and it's so comfortable. So I love it.
On a driver's perspective, I mean, yung kanina ang pinag-usapan namin with the ground clearance, if you guys can see this, it's almost in my knee already, the ground clearance. Kasi here in the metro, it's very important kasi nga baha ng baha and everything, di ba? I have that at peace na kahit pa paano mataas yung kotse, considering this is a hatchback. It's not an SUV, it's a hatchback.
We talked about on our previous episode of the stigma na hindi pwedeng mabaha ang EV. That's completely false. I've driven one. It was rainy season back when I had a VF5. So aside from that story na may tinalo akong supercar.
Mukhang madami kang experience sa VF5
I love that. There's so many great things about the VF5. Let us know in the comment section down below what your favorite part about it is. And what color would you get? Kasi marami ring
interesting.
kulay na available for this one.
Parang
depending on your
ako okay ako
personality.
dito, Hannah.
I like
it's
this
nice,
too.
right? I mean, it's very aggressive. You have that V-shaped grille, as we always talk about. It complements the car.
But I guess overall, the VF5 is a great combination of form and function.
Yes.
Exactly.
Perfect na perfect for city and pang mga road trips.
Correct. So much space for luggage and all of us there too. So perfect for families, road trips, and barkada.
And pets.
And pets! Thanks for not forgetting my pets. Thank you so much for joining us in this episode of VinFast Talks. This has been Hannah Bacani, and drop us a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions in our next few episodes, what you want to know about EVs and more. If you're curious to learn more about the amazing VinFast cars, make sure to drop by the dealerships in Alabang, Asiana, Cainta, EDSA, Iloilo, La Union, Isabela, and Manila Bay.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. You have so many
That's 8
options.
branches. I counted.
Yeah.
That's 8 branches. Hindi lang pang Metro Manila.
Exactly.
Wala rin takas, guys. Wala rin takas.
Exactly. And if you want to see it up close and see all the features and experience it, go drive it yourself and go to the nearest dealership to you. Let's go green, drive electric, and be part of a cleaner, brighter future.